When you get home from work so tired and you really don't feel like you want to cook, but you know you have to cook, just cook this curry chicken in coconut milk. And because I really couldn't wait for the bones to cook, I just cut off the meat off the bone. I leave the bone in the freezer. I can use that to cook some soup. And I just have the meat here. So I'm using chicken thighs because you know that is a juicier meat. So add your favorite seasonings. I'm adding all kind of seasonings here. Chicken seasoning, black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Add your favorite seasoning, a little bit of salt, and you rub that up. And your curry, I use better pack curry of course all the time. Use whatever curry you have, but this is my curry straight from Jamaica. And to give it the perfect essence and make it extra special, I'm gonna be using some of my homemade seasoning. Yes, that is it. That season there, I make it myself. I put all of the aromatics together, blend them up. You don't want a better tasting curry chicken. I am telling you, start making this seasoning, guys. Just take the time out, make a big batch. Store it in the fridge. You can even store them in the freezer. So when you're ready to cook, you just, drop one in the pot or you thaw it out if you want to use it to season the chicken. And I put it in everything, rice and peas, soup, vegetable, meat, everything. It's just that good. So this is normally how we cook the curry. We usually put the curry in the oil, add ginger and garlic, and you burn that because we say we burn the curry. We don't mean burn up everything, but you just get everything, the ginger and the garlic infused into the oil and the curry before you add the meat. But anyway, I was adding my meat before, but that is how we normally do it. When everything's still coming together right here. And then I have my fresh seasonings here. See the Scotch bonnet, number 1 in the pot. We cannot leave that. So no matter what, I still have to use my fresh aromatics. And I love the color because my pot have to look pretty and smell good and taste good. Yeah, man. Right, so you keep turning and make sure every side of the chicken is cooked. Just like that. Adding pimento seed. Some people call it allspice. Fresh veggies or seasonings, aromatics. Nice up the pot. And you cover that and let it simmer. Everything get melded together. So now it's the chicken is 3/4 done. It's time to add the coconut milk. Right, you want to make sure that your meat is, partially cooked before you add the coconut milk. As now you're just gonna simmer and then serve. I like to add fresh herbs, parsley, basil, whatever I have in the house. I'm using parsley today, oregano, whatever it is that you like, Italian seasoning, just some fresh herbs or dry herbs, whatever you have. And see it there now, ready for eat now, But ready. So remove the thyme and all them thing there before you serve. Trust me, I tell you, it smell good, it tastes good, it look good. Guys, you have to try this. It's relatively easy to make, see? Everything just together in one pot right there. Boom, boom, boom. And you finish. Coconut milk with your chicken and your curry and just right, just nice. Look at that, man. Just dress up with whatever you want to dress up with. I am using cucumbers. You can use tomatoes, whatever it is. Yeah, man, easy. When you're tired, you can't bother with the whole for long standing and all of that. Just cook them like an easy dish here. You serve that with some white rice or pasta or, yeah, whatever you like. Just so easy. You don't have to be dealing with the bones. I hope you all enjoyed this video and make sure you come back to see some more good cooking. What good.